Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the journey of a 46-year-old female patient of ours on a journey of eyebrow transplant. So here there are some before procedure photos. This is the front view, side view and the donor area. As you can see, there is scarce hair at the eyebrow. This is the immediately after photo after the procedure of eyebrow transplant which was done here. This is the side profile immediately after, another side profile. This is the donor area that was picked by Dr. Jas because patient wanted a more natural look, so we picked a dark hair for eyebrow transplant for her. So I would like to show today day 2 of the procedure, post-procedure. This is a more natural looking eyebrow transplant. Patient's very happy with the results. How are you feeling about your eyebrow transplant?
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic. How's your journey so far?
Excellent. I can't believe how well the procedure went and how easy it was. I wish I did it years ago.
Are you more comfortable now post-procedure? Is there any pain?
No pain whatsoever. I haven't had any pain from the start until now. No pain.
Alright, thank you so much. We're so glad that you're happy with your treatment here. Thank you.
Can I just say one more
Yeah,
thing?
sure.
For any woman out there that has no confidence in her face with no eyebrows like I had, I would highly recommend you to come here. This place is really just giving me an appearance that I've wanted for years. Go Glojas.
Thank you so much for your feedback. We really appreciate it.